guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a few outfit ideas for 2023, the new year. Happy New Year, by the way. These are primarily winter styles, kind of for, this time of year. So with this outfit here, I'm wearing my Ami sweater, really thick knitted Ami sweater with my tapered Levi's jeans. These are the 5'10" jeans with the Prada shoes, my loafers that I've been wearing a lot as of lately. I'm gonna keep the bottom part of this outfit, throw on a tank top and throw on this cardigan. This is one of my favorite purchases as of recent. It is from Zara and it is a really cool checkered, distressed in a way type of cardigan with my chimi sunglasses. I don't know, I just really like this outfit. Again, this is my style. Hope you get some inspiration. It might not be for everyone, but I really like this outfit right here. Third outfit, I am throwing on this sweater from Zara. Zara is a hit or miss. I feel like sometimes they have really cool pieces, sometimes they don't, but this one's really good quality and it has this really cool neck. And throwing on my YSL boots, layering with my mango bomber jacket. It's kind of like a dark green bomber jacket and I just love the Chelsea boots. This is a really cool outfit. I actually wore something very similar on New Year's, and yeah, it's just a solid outfit. All right, for the outfit number 4, this is a really comfortable, just cozy outfit in my opinion. I have my Carhartt beanie, the chimi sunglasses, the coat is from Zara, the shirt is Calvin Klein, the pants are from Zara. There are these like really cool jogger pants in this green color, and the shoes are Common Projects. Again, this is great for running errands, nice gloomy day. Comfort over style, always. All right, for this next look, I'm wearing the Comme des Garçons Converse shoes. The jeans are rag and bone, this really cool indigo color. I'm gonna link the style below because I forgot the name, but they're these loose fitted jeans, which have been my go-to lately. The overshirt is from Theory, and the white t-shirt underneath is from All Saints, again with my go-to chimi sunglasses. By the way, what is your go-to jacket? For me, I'm going to layer this up with a leather jacket. It's kind of my go-to as of lately. I do like a bomber jacket though, as you can tell. But yeah, are you more of a windbreaker type of guy? Do you like a denim jacket? Do you like a coat? Let me know in the comments. You can even do a hoodie underneath this, like a black hoodie, gray hoodie. All right, moving on. This one is from ASOS, the coat. This like green coat, the Carhartt beanie, which honestly, I can live in beanies. They're practical and keep you warm, and they look stylish. The jeans are rag and bone, the same style in a different wash. The sweatshirt underneath is from Theory, I want to say. I'll double check and link it below. The shoes are Doc Marten Chelsea boots with the thick sole, which is kind of cool, gives me a little height, I guess. And yeah, this is another look at the sweatshirt. It says Escape to Nowhere. Escape to Nowhere. Boom, boom. For my guys out there that like an all black outfit, talking to myself here, the coat is from H&M actually. I've had this for like 8 years. I'm not even kidding you. The jeans are Levi's. The shoes, again, I said Common Projects. And the hoodie is from Abercrombie and Fitch with my Yankee hat. Alright, with this outfit, I'm wearing these rag and bone slim fit jeans in this light wash. I've been into rag and bone, as you can tell. I'm going to do a denim guide video very soon, a little denim guide, so stay tuned for that. The shoes are New Balance, the hoodie is Gap, and the leather jacket is from the Kooples. I would honestly throw on a beanie in this outfit as well, because it keeps the ears warm. but yeah, that is that outfit. And now moving on to this last one here. The hat is from Ami. The bag is Balenciaga. The jeans, again, the rag and bone jeans. And the boots are lace-up Doc Marten boots. And that is it for today's video lookbook. I just wanted to keep it simple and straight to the point. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what was your favorite outfit for today. Hit like down below. It really helps the channel so much. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.